Hello everybody, welcome back to Drawanart. As in my previous video, I have done a tutorial on cat drawing, but in this video, I'm going to break down the key components of drawing fur. So in this fur drawing tutorial, you will learn to draw short fur, long fur, wavy fur and whiskers. So let's begin with the short fur. As you can see that this area is covered with the shortest fine short little strokes. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration of this section over here. So for drawing short fur, draw short strokes in the direction of fur growth. You can see that these fur are going outward, but make sure that you look at the reference photo for drawing these fur with the proper alignment. After the application of these short fur, I'm going to apply darker strokes in an irregular bands where the shadows are more visible. So the next fur study is a long fur, which is mostly appears over the ear part. So for the long fur, you must plan out first as a basic guideline. And for drawing this longer sweeping strokes that curve slightly and tapers the fur to a point at the ends. This is also overlapped to give them a natural look. Here is a small section of long fur, so I'm just showing you how you can draw it using an irregular long strokes. So the next fur is a wavy fur, and for this again plan out the basic structure and then add up the details. And these wavy fur are the strokes in S-shaped lines that ends in a tighter curve. So after drawing these three types of fur, now it's time to work on a whisker. So let's learn to draw a cat whiskers. So for the cat whiskers, there are basically a series of dots to indicate the whisker markings. So fill in the fur as you have everywhere. Then with the help of blending sum, blend out where you see the areas evenly smooth. Also then overlaying the black pencil to lift out thin curvy lines. So this is it for today's tutorial. I hope that you have learned something from this fur drawing tutorial. So we'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.